In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to build a fixed lamp using our DIY lamp parts and a ceramic piece specifically designed to be a light fixture. Here are the DIY parts you'll need from Color Cord Company. One of our basic sockets, a 1" 1/8 IPS All Thread, a 1/8 IPS Threaded Nut, and a barrel cord grip. Depending on your particular ceramic fixture, you may need a longer or shorter all thread. You'll also need black and white conductor wires cut to your needed length and Wago Lever Nut wire connectors or wire nuts. Either option will work great for this project. Lastly, a 2-prong power cord whip which will attach to the Wago connectors or wire nuts. The only tools you'll need for this project are standard wire strippers, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers, which the only use for the pliers is to grip the socket from the inside when securing it to the ceramic piece, which you'll see around the middle section of this video. Alright, let's get started. First, thread the all thread into the top of the socket cap. There is a smaller screw on the inside of the socket cap that you will tighten down to secure the all thread to the cap. Now strip roughly 3/8 of an inch off one end of both the black and white conductor wire housing to expose the threaded wires underneath. Then grab the socket body and locate the prongs on the inside of the socket. Using this photo for reference, you can see that the black positive wire corresponds with the gold longer prong and the white negative with the silver prong. Once matched up, insert the black and white wires into the proper terminals. You can then tug on them to ensure they are locked in place. Next, we'll grab the socket cap and slide it over the conductor wires down to the socket body and lock the cap and body together. Then feed the other end of the conductor wires through the socket opening of your ceramic piece. Our socket sits flush with the top of the ceramic piece, but depending on how you made yours, this could turn out differently. Now grab the threaded nut and sandwich the ceramic plate between the all thread and the washer, which secures the socket in place. This is where you'll use your pliers to be able to grip the socket from the inside of the socket body so the nut tightens down enough. Then strip roughly 3/8 of an inch off the other end of the black and white conductor wire housing, exposing the threaded ends underneath. Take the exposed end of your power cord whip and, if applicable to your specific piece, slide it through the hole of your ceramic piece. Now grab your barrel cord grip and slide it over the power cord whip and secure the set screw on the cord grip in place at your desired length. This will prevent the power cord from slipping out of your ceramic piece. Grab the 2 Wago clips and insert the exposed ends into each of the 2 clips and secure it in place with the orange lever. Then with the open ports on the 2 Wago clips, match the black and white conductor wires accordingly and secure them in place with the orange levers. Your socket and whip wires are now connected. As stated in the beginning of the video, you have the option to use wire nuts to connect the power whip and conductor wires together instead. And that is a wrap, my friends. Tuck any wires sticking out back into the ceramic piece, add your preferred bulb, and plug it in. As always, reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns. We're happy to help.